Hi guys, in today's video we will be unboxing two L.O.Ls we have right here. We have this one, World Travel, and we have this L.O.L Music Remix one right here. So we will be unboxing both of them. I will be starting out with opening this one first so we can move this one to the side. Okay, so lightning bolt, I like it. You can tell it's like a lightning bolt. Of course, another thing I cannot. Oh yeah, I should use my. Okay. Oh, and I did not get the entire layer. Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay, I do not wanna. Oh my god, I cannot use my muscles today. It's so hard to do this. Let's. Got it. So you can see that, and the first surprise in here. So we will do this one now. Oh, look at it. Oh my god, that's so cute. This is so cute, guys. Look at that. Okay, let's open this cute, adorable outfit. Not like that. So now I put this back on. Oops. See, and before it's just been yellow. Sorry that my desk is like that, but okay, let's unbox this layer. Got it. So now we have. I thought there's two. Okay, I don't know where that one is, but let's focus on. Oh, here's that one. Okay, first we'll open this one because this one I can tell is a water bottle just by squishing it. That's a water bottle. Oh my god, silver and some red. This says pop, so that's nice. That's very nice. Now, so guys, let's see what this one. Oh, is it like an instrument or something? I was not supposed to rip, sorry guys. It's ripping, but what is it? What is it? What is it? You guys can see it first. Shoes. They're shoes, aren't they? Are they shoes? They feel like shoes. Because the bottom isn't. Oh, there's glitter. Oh, yeah, they are shoes. Okay, I didn't. I thought it would be like an instrument or something till I felt them. Okay, those are nice and glittery. More glitters. That's great. We should go in the. Oh, right. Okay. Now we open this. We open those. Time to open the ball. Okay. That's so hard. Okay, maybe not there. How do you open this now? It's so hard. Oh, jeez, I cannot use my right. Ah. Oh, jeez, that really hurts when I. Maybe if my. Okay, how am I going to get this open? Oh, got it. I got it. Oh, that hurt my arm though. Here's this. So I will know who I get from looking at this. And I normally look at this earlier. Oh my gosh. Oh yes. I already have her, and I think I have her. Yeah, I have her, and I have Fierce. I don't have these two, and I know it's her because of the glitter outfit and because of the glittery shoes. So we have we know who we're gonna get now. We will be getting a Goo Goo Queen. Goo Goo Queen right here. Goo Goo Queen. So there she is. We will get her. So put that to the side. We know who it is. Oh my god. We do not need this. Okay, let's throw this away. Now that that's gone, recording. Oh, here we go. Her instrument is in here, I'm assuming. Here's her instrument, guys. So I'll let you guys see. I'm closing my eyes. Okay, here. Okay, is that showing? Okay. Yes, that's showing. Closing my eyes again. So you guys get to see that. I don't know if you, oh, okay. Okay, I'm opening my eyes. Oh my god. That's so cute. That is so cute, guys. Look at that. We have one more surprise after that on the glasses, sunglasses. You can tell they're sunglasses or don't squish or anything. So you know what's this? Rest in peace, piece of paper that I ended up burping for the glasses. Wow, look at that style here, guys. You guys can just see all the style. I like it. Hey, guys, yeah, hi. Oh, yeah, I think that's cute, really cute. Now, onto the doll, which we know is Goo Goo Queen. Oh, she has glitter. Glittery hair. Okay. I did not expect glitter for hair. Glitter in her hair. That's cute. But you'll do that in a second, so we'll be back and we'll get her dressed together. That's the only thing. Her arms always start out so thick. And you can't move it. Oh, jeez, I do not want to rip off her arm. Yeah, this doll is broken. You cannot. No, I do not want to break her. Oh, there's so much glitter. I have to rip off her head to do this. So I can fix the arms. One arm, two arm. There, now that that's fixed and not rigged, now I need to carefully put the head on. Okay, guys, surgery going on here, so move everything out of the way very carefully. Equipped. Oh, there. Ow! Yep, I'll be back. Got it. Oh, there. Okay, my hand's definitely fine. Wait, let's see. Is my yep, I'm not gonna lift up my sleeve. That just hurts. Now we're done with this and this, and now it's time to get her dressed. So. Okay, and we're done. Last. Oh wait, those open? You can actually set it up. Oh my gosh, you can open these things in. That is so adorable, guys. You can set it up like that, or you can close those and wear it. First doll, complete. Put everything back in the ball. Everything, well, except for the glitter. We do not want extra glitter. And the ball. So here's the first ball, guys. We have her, the thingy. Then we have her water bottle, and we have her secret message. So next doll, guys. We are all moving on to the next doll. Let's do it. In 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Zip, airplane. What? Why is that partially open already? Do you guys not see that? That is partially open. Okay, I guess all I have to do is rip it like that. Okay, Next, it's time to open. I did not expect to just do that, and well, let's see if it's, wait, I wonder if there's a cat one that I can get. Maybe I can get a cat thing with a squishy head. The squishy heads are almost all the time except for little. So maybe a squishy head, and maybe a cat girl. No, not you. Because now I need to put you away. I have no clue how you just got up here. Okay, well, now that my squishy slipper's out of the way. Sorry, squishy slipper. But now I know what to not say for that. It's now time to open that. Turquoise airplanes. I love that. Okay, so let's open this surprise. This surprise right here. In 3, 2, 1. I guess that opened really smoothly. Oh! Guys, look it! Oh! I think this might be a boy, but also a girl. I have no clue. Let's open this surprise in 3, 2, 1. First surprise. Next surprise. Let's actually open this one together. So here it is. Oh. Glitter again. And so I guess there's quite a bit of interesting, and so interesting. Let's open the next surprise in 3, 2, 1. Oh, what happened? Cute. Let's open the next one. Actually, this time. Really, that just flew out. I have no clue if you saw it. Wait, is the other one? Oh, no, they're both the same color. Okay, guys, look at this. Okay, I know you can't see them in a second, but 3, 2, 1. Now you can't. Now you can. So, isn't that adorable? I think it's adorable. There's pink and yellow bottom. Yeah, pink and yellow. That's super cute, guys. I love it. Oh, this goes in trash. Okay. Next, doll. And stand. Oh, everything's at the bottom of this. Oh wow, that got ripped. I did not rip that. So there's this stand thing. There's stickers, world travel. Yeah. Do not need this or this. Oh my gosh! They have a passport book! Okay. Now we know who it is, guys. Wow, passport. Thanks. Now we just fold. And now, passport. Open it up. And then we have the passport itself. I think that's adorable. And on the back, let's see. Love ya. Yep, that's a bit weird. Thank you, viewers. I was just reading. Don't worry. Oh my gosh! More glitter. Here's a doll that I definitely did not know who it was. Yeah, don't worry, guys. We all know who it was. She even comes with socks on? Look at those socks. Okay, let's get her dressed. So let's do that. Last thing, and now go. Got caught on the earring. I hate when that happens. Oh, okay. Hi guys. So here it is. Here's the doll. Here it is. Yeah. So you can see the shoes, socks, and then yeah. Then the black. It's another story. So the glasses. Just look at the glasses, and then look at the hair. Pink, yellow, and green. And you go down and you just see the entire outfit. It's super cute, isn't it? I think it is. I think it's adorable. Well, thank you for watching this video. I appreciate the time you spend watching my videos. So, bye.